C1 Algebra GCSE Review Example 51. So what we need to do in these examples is convert the expressions into the form kx to the power n. So we don't want to see any roots in our final answers. So 1 over x to the power 4. Remember that's the reciprocal when the x to the power 4 is on the denominator, so we can write that as x to the power minus 4. So k would be 1 and n would be minus 4. In part B, we can write that as 2/3 root x. And remember, the square root of x can be written as x to the power 1/2. So 2/3 x to the power 1/2. So k is 2/3 and n is 1/2. In example C, 2 over 5 and the 4th root of x. The 4th root of x can be written as x to the power 1/4. Now the x to the power 1/4 is on the denominator, so it's a little bit like this example in part A, where we brought the 4 up onto the numerator as -4. So we can write this as 2/5 x to the minus 1/4. So k is 2/5 and n is minus 1/4. In part D, very similar to part A, x squared is on the denominator, so we can bring it up to the numerator as a negative power. So remember, our negative power we write back as reciprocal 1 over x squared. Part E, we need to cube root x squared, so if we remember the cube root, we can write as the power 1/3. And we've got brackets here, so we can multiply our powers. So that can be written as x to the power 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. So x to the power 2/3. So k is 1. We don't write the 1 in front of the x if it's just x. And our power n is 2/3. Part F, 2 over the 4th root of x cubed. Remember, the 4th root can be written as power 1/4. So we've got 2 divided by x cubed times all to the power 1/4. When we've got brackets, we multiply. So we've got 3 times 1/4, which is 3/4. Again, this is like part A again. When we had x to the power 4 on the denominator, we brought it to the numerator as a negative. So we've got 2x to the minus 3/4. So k is 2 and n is minus 3/4.